Mr. Hello, good morning, my dear students. Today I have brought the first lesson from supplementary reader named as Footprints Without Feet. The first lesson is titled as A Trump of Surgery and it is written by James Harriot. My dear, in this story, we have three characters to analyze. The first, Mr. Pumphrey, the second, Tricky, her loving pet, and the third one is of the narrator, Mr. James Harriot. It is very interesting story, my dear. Apart from the stories of literature reader, we must invest our some time in supplementary reader also. And as you know, this book contains 10 marks and also contains two questions with option, that is to answer as a long question. So let us come to the point. In what way the story got its title, A Trump of Surgery? Certainly, the action of surgery is concerned to the narrator as Mr. Harriot is a veterinary doctor. He has much more love for his patient and he was an intelligent doctor. He knew the value of sympathy for the patients. My dear, it is other thing that here the patient is not a human being but a dog, but certainly is loved just like a human being by his master, Mrs. Pumphrey. So why should we avoid of being him a dog or human being? That's not matter. And my dear, a doctor never thinks that my patient is of either group, of either caste and creeds and religion. He always thinks my patient is patient and his service is to discharge the patient by treating in a very good manner. The story has brought very good aspect as here we see, as I told you, out of three characters, today we shall discuss only the narrator, in what way he treated Tricky and in what way he satisfied his master, Mrs. Pumphrey. He had a very good practical approach of his profession. My dear, profession is a very suitable word having deep sense of understanding. A person of either profession must be very expert and well known about its profession. He knew the human psychology and the way of treatment of his patients. He knew how to balance between the patient and his master, and it is the second category of treatment to satisfy the master of the patient or either of parents or of anyone or caretaker. As it is said that a doctor must be sympathetic and full of compassion for his patient. So we see in the story, we see the doctor is much more sympathetic to his patient, the Tricky, My dear, just we have discussed, it was not a human being, it was a loving pet of a very rich lady named Mrs. Pampheri, who, you, who used to love her even rather than her own children. She had a cute pet and she had named it Tricky. She loved him too much, and the worst thing was that she overfed the dog. My dear, obesity is not good for either a person or an animal. Her dog became the victim of obesity and overfed. And due to overweight, he fell ill and became lethargic. One day, the dog fell ill suddenly and became the matter of great worries for his master, Mrs. Pampheri. As soon as she saw the dog, she decided to carry it to the doctor. She did so, and as the doctor saw the fat dog like a bloated sausage, he was shocked. Shocked in the sense he thought that the pet is certainly overfed and now has become the victim of obesity. And it was a matter of great concern that how to cure, how to treat the patient. And other thing was also to satisfy his master. My dear, today I say you goodbye and more in next video. Thank you.